Hello, everyone. Okay, so this presentation is for Team 4, and Team 4 members, our names will be mentioned after the presentation. So, this presentation, we highlighted some topics that we want to talk about, and some of the topics that we decided to talk about as a team was lexical unit, scalar data type, and composite data type. So, as a team, we would like to focus on our main reason why we are planning, or maybe we plan for this presentation. The topics are many, broad, and very large. So we specified on lexical units from the highlighted topics that we said previously. So precisely, this particular presentation is supposed to last for 3 to 4 minutes, so we just brush up everything and to be very brief. So lexical units are the building blocks of programming language. They enable you as a developer or as a beginner to build PL and SQL programs, which includes letter, numerals, special characters, tabs, spaces, returns, and symbols that build PL and SQL blocks. Lexical units can be classified as follows: identifier, delimiters, literals, comments. When we talk about identifiers are words. They can be reversed words, keywords, predefined identifiers, quoted identifiers, user-defined variables, subroutines, or user-defined types. And when it comes to limiters are symbols or symbol sets. They can act as delimiters or provide other functions in the programming language. The most common example of delimiters is the character string delimiter. In PL SQL, you delimit strings literally by using a set of single quotes. An example of the process and the meaning: the assign operator does the symbol for it. The association operator does the symbol. Concentration, concatenation operator, yes, concatenation operator, that's the symbol for it. Exponentiation operator, that's the symbol for it. Label, begin. Okay, so these are some of the operators and their meanings are assigned to it when you talk about delimiters. And the literals to any value that is assigned to a variable is literal. Okay, any character, numerals, boolean, strings, or date values that is not an identifier is what? Literal. So the opposite of identifier is what? A literal. Good. Comments are bricks or mortar, but they are important because they help you as a developer, or maybe a beginner or a programmer or some other developers also, as I said previously, see what you are doing, because mostly the comments help us to understand what we are doing, or even if you give it to someone who hasn't worked on the project, or maybe who hasn't practiced a lot on some of the things, most comments help them to get more understanding on what they are supposed to do, or maybe the next step they are supposed to take. So these are the members of the team that we met and we discussed about it, and we went through how we can present these things. Okay, thank you very much. Please, if anybody have more ideas or details or comments, you can leave it at the comment section. Thank you very much.